Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change Snapchat notification sound on iPhone. So in this case you have to go settings first, then scroll down till you find Snapchat. Okay, here's the Snapchat. Click on that, and after that you will find notifications here, which is turns on, but you should turn this on. After turned on, you can see here sounds. If this turned off, you should turn this on. Then you have to go sound, and haptics, this one. Click on this and you will find text tone, and also that click on text tone. Then you can choose any tone from here. Okay guys, so this is how you can change Snapchat notification sound on iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.